Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is this set we are going to be creating and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit different and a little bit quirky, so if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go through the products I'll be using, and today I'll be using Romance, which is this gorgeous deep purple acrylic. I'll also be using Neon Green, which is our neon super bright green acrylic, and with that I'll be using the Princess Crush glitter infused acrylic powder, which is absolutely beautiful. The brush that I'm using is the number 12 could not speak then, the number 12 Rainbow Aqua brush, and it's one of my faves. The hand that I'm using is the flat practice hand. This is available on my website, and this is how I remove my tips, and then I'll just apply more tips and start a fresh set. So it's super easy to use and practical, and it looks fabulous. So yeah, I'll link the practice hands down below as well. So to finish my practice hands and make them look super pretty, I do clean them off afterwards and apply some of our cuticle oil, and it just finishes off the final look. I'll also be using the white mesh to do the imprint design. I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back. Okay, so first off, I have applied the easy tips to my practice hand, and I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to do a nice clear base. This is just going to give me a nice even surface to work on as well. And once I'd done my clear base, I was like, right, I don't want these to be a super long stiletto. I'm going to come in and trim them down. So I'm just using the outer space tip cutters and just trimming off the end of the easy tips. And look how easy it is just to create that beautiful, long, tapered coffin shape. It is so effortless. It's unbelievable. Like, I'm going to have to do very minimal filing to create that ballerina coffin shape. So I love these tips for that. So next I'm coming in with the purple colour, which is Romance, I think, or Romantic, one or the other. And I'm coming in and applying that at the cuticle area and just blending it down the nail nicely. I absolutely love how rich and pigmented and beautiful this colour is. Next I'm coming in with Princess Crush, which is one of our pre-mixed glitter infused acrylics, and I'm going to be applying that towards the tip and blending it back up the nail. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to come in with three colours, which are Neon Green, Romance and Blizzard White. And I'm going to create a nice marble nail. So I always start off at the cuticle area just to make sure to get that nice and clean and everything where I want it. And then I'm going to do the rest of the nail with the marble. So moving on to the middle finger, next I'm going to be applying the neon green acrylic towards the free edge and blending that down. And then I'm going to come in and add that Princess Crush glitter infused acrylic at the cuticle area and then blend that into the green. I just wanted to let you know as well, for some of you that are wondering, we do have the neon green in stock now for the 28 grams, along with some other colours. I'll try to remember to list them down below, the 28 gram jars that we do have available, so that you can check them out. For the next nail, I'm coming in with Romance, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that at the cuticle area again. And it's going to be the same as the pinky nail. We're going to blend that down most of the way down the nail and then come in with Princess Crush and do that on the free edge and blend it back into the nail. I absolutely love this set. It is like perfect for Halloween as well, with the green like even more so, because it's like spooky and witchy vibes. But if you just had the purple with the pre-mixed glitter acrylic as well, it's such a like, I don't know, bad bitch vibes. So moving on to the thumbnail, and I'm going to come in with the neon green and Princess Crush again, and that is just going to be the same as the other one that we did. I just wanted to carry the design throughout, and I want it to be a simple set but still have like a lot about it, if that makes any sense. Like, I didn't want to do every single nail different, but I wanted the colours to flow and the design to really complement each other. So now that I've applied all of my acrylic and everything has set, this is how it is looking. Super, super pretty and super gorgeous. Like, you could use all of these as like a full set. So you could do the neon green with the Princess Crush as a full set, or the purple and the Princess Crush. It would look bomb. So for this next nail, I wanted to do an imprinted netting design. So I'm coming in with Nail Mate Crystal Clear with quite a dry bead because I don't want to be waiting ages for it to set. But we want it to be set enough that we can still like imprint a design into it, and it's going to stay there. So I'm working that bead down the nail and feathering it down, and I didn't just quite have enough, so I just get a little bit more. Make sure to drain the liquid out of the back of the bead, place it at the tip, and then feather it up into the one that I've already applied. And then I'm going to allow it, like I said, to set and just go slightly matte, and then I'll come in with my chunky mesh. So this mesh is available now on the website, and it's perfect for doing imprinted designs. So you want to dunk it into your powder first, and this is just going to help it to stop sticking into the acrylic, just so that you can release it a little bit easier. And once your acrylic has gone a little bit matte and started to set, come in and just press. You don't want to press too hard so that it's going to, like, when you remove the netting, it's going to take the product away. You want to just get the perfect balance of pressure. So this is how that looks now that it's started to set and dry, and it looks fabulous. And I'm going to come in with the colours that I used on the marble nail and just fill in that design area. I'm not going to go above it onto the purple. I just literally want to fill those gaps in where we've done the imprinted netting design. When you are infilling a netted design as well, you want to make sure that you work quite wet so that you can press that colour and pigment into the gaps, because otherwise you'll end up with like air bubbles and just bits that won't be filled in. So when you come to file, you'll have like a bit missing. Not a huge issue. You can always come back in with some product again, but why do it twice? We can just do it right the first time. So yeah, apply super wet and push it right into that area. So this is how it looks now that my acrylic is all in there. I'm just going to let that go ahead and set, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the other nails with Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic just whilst the other one dries, and then I'll be back to finish file. So now that this nail has set, I'm coming in with my smooth top ceramic bit on my e-file, and I'm just going to debulk and just reveal those kind of colour blocking, I guess you could call it. It's just a different method. And once I've done that, I do go ahead and encapsulate that nail and build the strength and structure, just because this is only the design part. So once we've revealed that design, we can come in and create that strength and structure with our clear. So next I went ahead and I finished filing and buffing off of camera, and then I'm coming in with Nail Mate Super Gloss to add a nice glossy finish to these nails and reveal that gorgeous, beautiful shine. So I'm going to apply the top coat to all of the nails and then cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds and finish up my practice hand with some of the luxury cuticle oil and then share the final result with you guys. I also wanted to let you guys know that we do have our lamps available now over on the website, so if you are interested then definitely go and check them out. I'll have them linked down below for you guys. And this is a final look. I am in love, like seriously super pretty. I just love such a high shine and simple all acrylic set. I think it is just so pretty, and look at that purple with the Princess Crush. And with the green as well, it does look super, super pretty. Love it. Love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I can't wait until the next one. And as always, guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.